GMP predictions for Indofarm Equipment Limited by Vridhvej Finance. This is one of the biggest subscribe IPO in 2024, I guess. This is the IPO has launched at the year end and it has closed during 2025, and it get good amount of time to subscribe it. That's the reason there is no other IPO into the market. So probably this IPO has got a lot of attention from all type of investors, and these peoples do their business since long term, more than 3 decades. IPO detail for Indofarm Equipment Limited is the symbol is Indofarm. Issue period is 31st December 2024 till 2nd of Jan 2025. 100% book building issue type is price range between 204 to 215 per equity share, face value 10 rupees per equity share, ticket size RE1, bid lot 69 equity share. And if you see book running lead manager Ariman Financial Service Limited, and sponsored bank is ICICI Bank. So yes. So we will speak about IPO details of Indofarm Equipment, and the qualified institutional buyers subscribe around this 242.40 number of total meant for the category. Non-institutional investors subscribe this IPO is quite good, 503.83 number of total meant for the category, and retail individual investor are subscribed this IPO 104.92 number of total meant for the category. Overall this IPO has got subscribed 229.68 number of total meant for the category. So have you got allotment from this IPO? Probably never know, because the qualified institutional buyer has a big chunk in their mouth. Predictions for Indofarm Equipment Limited. Probably this IPO may give it to you around 450 or 400 only on the day of listing. The first target it may give it to you 520 rupees. Second target we are giving 600 and 50 rupees, not more than 800. It will not go more than 800 above on the day of listing. That is upper limit. There is no lower limit, means they will not give it to you discount offer. They will give it to you minimum 300. It can fall it even on the day of listing. So probably it will not fall, it will give it to you good listing. First will be 400 and above, second will be 500 and above, third will be 600 and above. We have given an exact figure. You can replay our video once again to listen what exact target we have given to you for listing gain. Thank you by Vridhvej Finance. We will concentrate on our GMP predictions and stock analysis. Stock analysis we will share very soonly. Every day one equity from the domestic market where you can invest and book the profit, either a short term or a long term gain. So guys, Vridhvej Finance, we will give it to you an equity analysis every day by the 8 p.m. probably. I mean, depends on that. Depends on our time frame too. So, and yes, if you see last week, whatever we have predicted in the December 2024 has up to certain limit, has given a exit point or given the pick of sub listing even. In case of Unimec Aerospace Manufacturing Limited. So if you see, this IPO has got good subscription, and that IPO has got listed about 1200. We have given in our video. You can check out in the description link of that. Sorry, not on our YouTube channel. We will very soonly share the analysis. So till the time you have to wait. Happy Sunday in advance. Bye bye.